What's up, guys? So I'm just gonna make a random ass video. We're gonna pull in my truck right now because this hinge is so hard to lift up when I want to bring down the bed. So we're just gonna do a quick little repair. Okay, guys, random ass video. Let's pull it into the shop real quick. And all I'm gonna do, guys, is just put like WD-40. Like that. Okay. So this part right here on the latch, it's like hard to go up. I want to bring the bed down. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna put like some PB Blaster or WD-40. That's all I'm really gonna do. Nothing special. I just thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. You know what I mean? There. And this cover just pops up. See the latches right there? So we're just gonna put some WD-40 right there, and that should be a lot lighter. Where's the WD-40 at? Yeah, right here. Replacing an engine right here. Where's the old one? Oh, right there. That's the old one right there. And a subframe, because the subframe's fucked on it. So we're gonna do a quick Mickey Mouse. Where's the contact? Oh, I can feel the difference right there. Big difference right there. Had that there. Okay. Ooh, a little bit of WD-40 can fix everything. Look at that. Watch this. Ooh, it works. I'm gonna add more shit. Way better. See the arms right there? The little ears. Another one right here. Wow, that's a lot better. Put this shit on. So if that ever happens to you guys, you don't have to replace it. Just add some WD-40. It's called the quick fix right there. Right. Set that right here on the side. Oops. Yep. That's it, basically. See? Oh, it works a lot better. Just clean that up. I need a rag. Cheaper fix. Or you guys can put some white lithium grease. That should work too. Look at that. Better. Look at this. Nice. And that was our quick little fix, guys. All right, guys, well, thanks for hanging out with me. That was just a quick little video. See you guys.